Hey there, happy Apple Day! I'm Caitlin. I'm a SNAP-Ed nutrition educator here in Waldo County, Maine. Have you been apple picking this year? Need some recipes for all of those apples? Don't worry, we've got you. Over at mainsnaped.org or on the Waldo County Maine SNAP-Ed YouTube page, there's lots of recipes like baked oatmeal, baked apples, even apple chutney, apple pie. It's super easy to find. You just go to mainsnaped.org and then under the Cook tab, oops, that's not what I wanted, under the Cook tab, there's Healthy Recipes. And then my favorite feature is you can search by ingredient. And we're searching for apples today, and then you have to scroll down a little bit, but look at how many results come up. So many recipes with apples. And this works for so many different ingredients. If you have something, hanging out in the back of your fridge, or a vegetable that was on sale this week that you're not really sure how to use, definitely head to this website. It's been a lifesaver for me and my family. If you want a more visual representation of how these recipes are done, you can head over to Maine SNAP-Ed Waldo County's YouTube page. There you'll find lots of videos. I try to upload at least one a week. You can check out my not-so-keen kitchen skills and laugh along with my terrible eyeball estimates with me, but definitely check it out. Look, baked apples. Well, happy cooking. I hope you enjoyed this video and these recipes. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to head to mainsnaped.org.